Do you know that what you eat for breakfast can significantly boost your metabolism? Picture this. Your body is like a car, and breakfast is the fuel that gets the engine running. It's not just the first meal of the day, it's the one that jumpstarts your metabolism and sets the tone for the day's energy expenditure. When you skip breakfast, your body goes into energy conservation mode, slowing down your metabolism. But by eating a nutritious breakfast, you signal to your body that there are plenty of calories to burn for the day. This cranks up your metabolic rate, helping your body burn more calories throughout the day. Breakfast is the meal that wakes up your metabolism from its overnight fasting period. It's the meal that breaks the fast, hence the name, breakfast. So, remember, your breakfast meal sets the metabolic pace for the day. So, breakfast isn't just the first meal of the day, it's the one that kickstarts your metabolism. But before we dive into the power breakfast, let's unpack what metabolism actually is. Metabolism, in its simplest terms, is the process by which your body converts the food you eat into energy. It's a complex biochemical process where calories in food and beverages are combined with oxygen to release the energy your body needs to function. This process is ceaseless, occurring even when you're at rest, as your body requires energy for all its hidden functions, such as breathing, circulating blood, adjusting hormone levels, and growing and repairing cells. Now let's delve a little deeper. Metabolism is not just a single process, but rather it's composed of two key parts: anabolism and catabolism. Anabolism is the process where the body uses energy to create cells, while catabolism is where the body breaks down cells to generate energy. Your body is constantly balancing these two processes to grow, repair, and sustain itself. You may wonder, why does metabolism matter so much? Well, it plays a pivotal role in weight management. The rate at which your body metabolizes food into energy, often referred to as your metabolic rate, can influence how easily you gain or lose weight. A faster metabolism burns calories more quickly than a slower one, making it less likely for you to pile on unwanted pounds. Moreover, metabolism is integral to energy regulation. It determines how efficiently your body uses the energy derived from food. If your metabolism is functioning optimally, you're likely to feel more energized and alert. Additionally, a healthy metabolism contributes to overall health and well-being. It aids in maintaining a healthy body weight, supports immune function, promotes cell repair and growth, and even affects mood. In essence, the food we consume is transformed into energy by our metabolism, which in turn fuels all bodily functions, from the mundane to the complex. Your metabolism plays a vital role in your body's health and functioning, and the breakfast you choose can have a significant impact. Now, why is breakfast so crucial for our metabolism, you might ask? Well, let's delve into that. Imagine your body as a car. After a long night's rest, it's like a car that's been parked overnight, the engine cold and inactive. Breakfast is the ignition key, the vital spark that kickstarts your metabolism, your body's engine, and gets it revving and ready for the day. When you skip breakfast, your body goes into conservation mode. It holds on to stored fat, slows down your metabolism, and conserves energy because it's unsure when it will get its next fuel supply. It's like trying to drive a car on an almost empty tank. Sure, you'll move, but not as efficiently or as far as you could with a full tank. Moreover, skipping breakfast can lead to weight gain. Yes, it seems counterintuitive, but let's break it down. When you miss that first meal of the day, you're likely to feel ravenous by mid-morning. And what happens then? You reach for the quickest, often not the healthiest option to satiate that hunger. These choices tend to be high in sugars and fats, leading to an unhealthy caloric intake and eventual weight gain. On the flip side, a healthy breakfast can boost your metabolism. It provides essential nutrients that your body needs to burn calories efficiently throughout the day. Foods rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats are particularly beneficial. These nutrients not only fuel your body but also keep you satiated, reducing the temptation for unhealthy snacking. Moreover, a nutritious breakfast provides a steady release of energy, helping you stay focused and productive. It's like filling your car with premium fuel. It runs smoother, performs better, and gets you farther. So the next time you're tempted to hit the snooze button and skip breakfast, remember this. Your metabolism needs that morning meal to function optimally. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about providing your body with the right kind of fuel to burn throughout the day. A good breakfast fuels your body and revs up your metabolism, setting you up for a day of success. So, what makes a breakfast a power breakfast, you may ask? Well, let's delve into that. A power breakfast is a carefully curated meal that sets the tone for the day. It's not merely about filling your stomach to stave off hunger. It's an intentional selection of foods that provide a robust balance of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Let's break that down a bit. Protein is a crucial component of a power breakfast. It's responsible for building and repairing tissues, making hormones and enzymes, and is essential for growth and development. Think of it as the foundation of your body's construction site. Next up, we have fiber. Fiber is the traffic controller of your digestive system. It helps to regulate the body's use of sugars, ensuring that hunger and blood sugar are kept in check. It's also instrumental in maintaining a healthy weight and lowering the risk of diabetes and heart disease. And last, but definitely not least, are healthy fats. Forget the negative connotations of the word fat. Healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and fish are vital for brain health, inflammation control, and overall nutrient absorption. Now, the benefits of a power breakfast extend beyond merely the nutritional aspects. A power breakfast fuels your metabolism, kickstarting it into action for the day. It's like turning the key in your car's ignition, sparking your engine into life. Moreover, a power breakfast can help you maintain a healthy weight. By starting your day with a nutrient-dense meal, you're less likely to experience those mid-morning hunger pangs that lead to unhealthy snacking. It also provides the energy you need to perform at your best, both mentally and physically. In essence, a power breakfast is more than a meal. It's a strategy. It's a way of ensuring that you're giving your body the best possible start to the day. It's about making choices that will benefit your health, not just in the short term, but for the long haul. A power breakfast is a balance of nutrients designed to supercharge your metabolism and keep you energized. So are you ready to power up your mornings? Ready to power up your morning? Here are some examples of power breakfasts. Let's start with the classic, oatmeal with nuts and berries. This wholesome meal is rich in fiber from the oats and berries, and packed with healthy fats and protein from the nuts. It's a trifecta of nutrition that's guaranteed to kickstart your metabolism. Next up, we have Greek yogurt with fruit and granola. The Greek yogurt serves as a protein powerhouse, while the fruit adds a natural sweetness and a good dose of vitamins. The granola brings in the crunch factor along with additional fiber and healthy fats. Lastly, let's not forget the ever-popular avocado toast with eggs. The creamy avocado provides healthy monounsaturated fats, and the eggs are an excellent source of high-quality protein. The toast adds a much-needed carbohydrate punch to fuel your day. These power breakfasts are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients to boost your metabolism. Let's recap what we've learned today about power breakfasts and metabolism. We've delved into the vital role breakfast plays in kickstarting our metabolism each morning and unearthed the concept of a power breakfast. This optimal meal is packed with nutrients, providing your body the fuel it needs to perform at its best. We've also explored some exemplary power breakfasts, ready to supercharge your day. Remember, a power breakfast can set the tone for your day, boosting your metabolism and keeping you energized. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.